Welcome to Techno Academy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss not null. The not null constraint is used to specify that a column must contain a value and cannot contain null. Let's understand the not null with the help of the given table. In this table, we have three columns: eCode, name, and member ID. We have marked member ID as not null. That means we cannot insert a null value in the member ID. So if we are trying to insert a new record where we have eCode, name, but we are trying to pass null in member ID, this is not allowed, because if we have marked one column as not null, that means on that particular column any record cannot be marked as null. We must have to provide some values on that particular column. Okay, let's create one table mem table member and eCode, name, and member ID integer. Now mark not null. So we have marked this member ID column as not null. Now select the table and click on execute button, and we'll refresh this database. Click on this table icon. We can see that we have one table. Okay, so this is our table. We don't have any records in this table. Now let's insert some record. Insert into table name, and within bracket we can give the column name and values. Okay, so this is our eCode, this is our name, and we don't have any member ID, so we are trying to pass null. And as per the rule, if any of the column is not null, we cannot have null values. If we try to insert the value, so if we select this statement and click on execute button, we got this error. Column does not allow null values. That means member ID column cannot have null value. We must have to provide some values. So once we provide a value and then we select the statement and click on execute button, we can see that it is allowed. So we can see that if we mark any column as not null, we must have to provide the value on that particular column. And if we expand this table and we expand the column, we can see that by default the name is null. Means we can have null value in name column, but we cannot have null value in member ID column because it is marked as not null. If we do not provide any constant, that column by default is null. But if you want to mark is that none not null, then we will have to give not null constraints. So this is how the not null constraints